Hello, this is a quick video where I will be taking through some of the unique features of the new REST API browser that we have added in BreakingPoint and just introduce the basics of it. First things first, you can browse and download some REST API documentations from the BreakingPoint screen itself, or you can download some sample scripts. So if you click on REST API v2, it will download certain sample scripts, Python scripts that can be a very good starting point for your REST API. To go to the browser itself, once you have logged into your hardware, which is a BreakingPoint or Perfect Storm, you would see this new tab called REST API browser. Clicking on it would open this browser where it gives you an access and a simplified way to access the browser and understand the REST APIs and things like that. So just to give some quick examples, let's say I want to open a test. So you go and click on the test model and you go for operations and you would see all the available operations there. So in this particular case, I want to open an existing test. So I'll give the name of the test that I want to open. This test is present in the chassis, and once I do commit, you would see it takes a few seconds and it opens and loads the test. And now I can go to the component and see all the component parameters. So all these parameters have a table view and a JSON view. So you can go to the JSON and see the JSONs and edit the JSONs or edit the tables itself. So this is something that can be done for all of them. For example, this is the shared component settings, which is there for every application profile. I can just click on the edit and change something like max concurrent flows so to 20% and do a commit, and this change gets saved. So if I go back to the components and I see that the maximum concurrent flows are is set to now 20. Similarly, you can go ahead with the topology, slot count, superflows, and so on. One very interesting part of this REST API is that for every actions that we did, we have a history that notes down all the actions, and a user can see the REST code for the action, a Python code for the action, and the result for them. And this can be very easily incorporated in their automation infrastructure. And also you can access the REST API documentations for each of these actions and get to know more details about it by going to the help file. So this is just a quick introduction, and we will have more detailed TOIs of REST API browsers coming in near future. Thank you for listening.